Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering off and removing any cable. This prevents accidental damage. Once off, place the AirPods Max on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. You need microfiber, 70% 90% isopropyl, cotton swabs, and a soft brush. These remove oils without harming coatings. Now remove the ear cups by rotating and lifting gently. Pay attention to orientation so you can reattach them correctly. This first step protects electronics and sets you up to clean cushions. Once cushions are off, you'll wipe them down with a slightly damp microfiber and a drop of mild soap, then press dry with a dry cloth. This removes oils without swelling the foam. For the metal mesh and inner frames, use a cotton swab lightly moistened with isopropyl. This evaporates fast and disinfects, but make sure not to soak any openings. Next, use a soft brush to clear debris from seams and inspect for fabric pilling or stubborn residue that needs targeted attention. After cleaning, let everything air dry completely for 30 to 60 minutes so no moisture remains in gaps. Moisture can harm electronics. Then reattach cushions in correct orientation and test audio and noise canceling. If sound seems off, make sure mesh is seated and recalibrate settings. If you experience persistent issues, perform a reset or contact service rather than repeating liquid cleaning. The key troubleshooting tip: never use excess liquid. If you suspect moisture ingress, power off and consult support immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.